Today we are making AI chicken biryani recipe by TechMind chef. And in 2.3 minutes, we have perfect golden onions. Now add the chicken. It's 3D marinated, so it will cook evenly. Add ginger garlic paste and cook for 6 minutes, turning every 90 seconds. This is how you get perfect golden brown chicken. First, AI will heat up the oil at 175 degrees Celsius. Now add tomatoes, yogurt, biryani masala, and all the spices. Keep stirring until the gravy thickens. A, be happy. Biryani be best. For more such AI recipes, subscribe to TechMind Official. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Otherwise, AI will get angry. Now, add the rice. It's moisture mapped, so it will absorb all the flavor. We'll add some mint and coriander. Now let's lock the biryani for 12.5 minutes. The AI will steam lock it perfectly, just in time for the flavors to infuse. And finally, the moment of truth.